Imagine a planet where the heat is so intense that it's hotter than most stars, where the sun never sets, and where the sky is blood red. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but rather the reality of the most terrifying planet in our known universe, Tres Tubits. Get ready to be shocked and awed as we delve into the scorching hot depths of this hellish world in this video on the most terrifying planet in existence. Tres Tubits. Tres Tubits, Tres 2 or Kepler 1 bit, is an extrasolar planet orbiting the star GSC 03549 to 02811, located 750 light-years away from the solar system. The planet was identified in 2011 as the darkest known exoplanet, reflecting less than 1% of any light that hits it. Reflecting worse than charcoal, on the surface the planet is said to be pitch black. 4. The planet's mass and radius indicate that it is a gas giant with a bulk composition similar to that of Jupiter. Unlike Jupiter, but similar to many planets detected around other stars, Tres Tubits is located very close to its star and belongs to the class of planets known as hot Jupiters. This system was within the field of view of the Kepler spacecraft. Discovery. Tres Tubits was discovered on August 21, 2006 by the Transatlantic Exoplanet Survey, TRES, by detecting the transit of the planet across its parent star using SLEUTH, Palomar Observatory, California, and PSS Lowell Observatory, Arizona, part of the TRES network of 10 centimeters telescopes. The discovery was confirmed by the W.M. Keck Observatory on September 8, 2006, by measuring the radial velocity of the star that hosts Tres Tubits. Darker than coal. The team monitored the brightness of the Tres 2 system as the planet orbited its star. They detected a subtle dimming and brightening due to the planet's changing phase. Tres Tubits is believed to be tidally locked like our moon, so one side of the planet always faces the star. And like our moon, the planet shows changing phases as it orbits its star. This causes the total brightness of the star plus planet to vary slightly. Kepler mission. NASA launched Kepler in March 2009. The spacecraft is dedicated to the discovery of extrasolar planets by the transit method from solar orbit. In April 2009, the project released the first light images from the spacecraft, and Tres Tubits was one of 2 objects highlighted in these images. Although Tres Tubits is not the only known exoplanet in the field of view of this spacecraft, it is the only one identified in the first light images. This object is important for calibration and checkout. The Kepler mission also managed to detect the mass of the planet from Kepler data alone through the analysis of the light curve of the host star. In addition to detecting the planet directly, the planet was also detected by analysis of the star brightness caused by the gravitational tug of Tres Tubits by shape distortion of the host star and by light variations due to Doppler beaming. Physical characteristics. The first important result from the Kepler mission about Tres Tubits is an extremely low geometric albedo measured in 2011, making it the darkest known exoplanet. If the entire day-night contrast were due to geometric albedo, it would be 2.53%. But modeling suggests that much of this is day-side emission and the true albedo is much lower. It is estimated to be less than 1%, and for best fit model, it is about 0.04%. This makes Tres Tubits the darkest known exoplanet, reflecting less light than coal or black acrylic paint. It is not clear why the planet is so dark. One reason could be an absence of reflective clouds, such as those which make Jupiter so bright, due to Tres Tubits' proximity to its parent star and the consequent high temperature. Another reason could be the presence in the atmosphere of light-absorbing chemicals, such as vaporized sodium, potassium, or gaseous titanium oxide. However, Kipping and Spiegel excluded heavy oxides of titanium and vanadium from their models, as it seems unrealistic that condensed, heavy compounds be present in the upper atmosphere. They also note that in general, hot Jupiters are expected to be dark, because absorption due to the broad wings of the sodium and potassium D lines is thought to dominate their visible spectra, and apart from that of Kepler 7 bits. Albedo measurements for hot Jupiters have generally given only upper limits. The darkest planet. Astronomers have discovered the darkest known exoplanet, a distant, Jupiter-sized gas giant known as Turrius 2 bits. Their measurements show that Turrius 2 bits reflects less than 1% of the sunlight falling on it, making it blacker than coal or any planet or moon in our solar system. Turrius 2 bits is considerably less reflective than black acrylic paint, so it's truly an alien world, said David Kipping from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics in Cambridge, Massachusetts. In our solar system, Jupiter is swathed in bright clouds of ammonia that reflect more than a third of the sunlight reaching it. In contrast, Turrius 2 bits, which was discovered in 2006 by the Transatlantic Exoplanet Survey, TRIES, lacks reflective clouds due to its high temperature. Temperature. Turrius 2 bits orbits its star at a distance of only 3 million miles, 5 million kilometers. The star's intense light heats Turrius 2 bits to a temperature of more than 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, 980 degrees Celsius, much too hot for ammonia clouds. Instead, its exotic atmosphere contains light-absorbing chemicals like vaporized sodium and potassium, or gaseous titanium oxide. Yet none of these chemicals fully explain the extreme blackness of Turrius 2 bits. It's not clear what is responsible for making this planet so extraordinarily dark, said David Spiegel from Princeton University in New Jersey. However, it's not completely pitch black. It's so hot that it emits a faint red glow, much like a burning ember or the coils on an electric stove. Kipping and Spiegel determined the reflectivity of Turrius 2 bits using data from NASA's Kepler spacecraft. Kepler is designed to measure the brightness of distant stars with extreme precision. The team monitored the brightness of the Turrius 2 system as the planet orbited its star. They detected a subtle dimming and brightening due to the planet's changing phase. Surface. That's too hot for the formation of ammonia clouds that would reflect some of that incoming radiation as they do on Jupiter. Rather, Turrius 2 bits' atmosphere is made up of things like vaporized sodium, potassium, and titanium oxide, things that actually compound the problem by absorbing heat. But even these don't fully explain the planet's extreme blackness, which is still puzzling astronomers. There's some kind of strange chemistry going on out there that even Kepler can't see. As we continue to explore the vast expanse of space, we are confronted with the terrifying realities of the universe. And Turrius 2 bits stands out as one of the most terrifying planets that we have discovered so far. With its scorching temperatures, toxic atmosphere, and perpetual darkness, it is a hostile world that seems completely inhospitable to life as we know it. Yet even in the face of such terrifying conditions, we are driven to continue our exploration, to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding, and to seek out the unknown. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.